Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. In today's video I will show how I make custom magnetic bookmarks using Stone City printable magnetic sheets. This is such a fun and easy project. All you need is an inkjet printer, magnetic sheets and Cricut machine. I decided to create Christmas theme bookmarks and make them for book lovers. So let's start it. I opened the Canva and found these cute Christmas images. There are so many beautiful illustrations to choose from, so I really recommend it. Check it out. Next, I will show how I put everything together in Cricut Design Space. Here is how my bookmarks look. I arrange them so they all fit nicely in one sheet. It really helps to save material. Now I will show how easy it is to make one of these bookmarks step by step. First, we need to upload our image. You can also choose images from Cricut Design library. Also, I always make sure to add a small border around the design so the cut lines look clean. We click Edit, then select Effects. Here is our additional layer, and now we have to change this new layer to the basic cut and change color to the white. Then select our image and additional layer and click Flatten. The first part of our design is complete. Next step, I duplicate the image and flip it. So we have the front and back sides of the bookmark. After that, I add a rectangle between them. This will connect the two sides. I make sure everything is centered. Then I select all and click Flatten again. To make it easy to follow, I add a score line. You can find it here. Here you can see score line size. I will place it right in the middle and click Attach. And that's it, our bookmark is ready. We can repeat the same step to create all other bookmarks. You can easily change the size. I like to arrange them carefully on one page to fit as many as possible. For that I use my little purple helper, a custom template that helps me place everything perfectly for Print Then Cut. If you are curious about this template, I have a full video on my YouTube channel where I explain how I use it for my Print Then Cut projects. I will leave the link in the description below. Now I select all objects, click Attach, and our project ready to print and then cut. All our objects will be placed on one sheet. Here Design Space is showing us the warning. We have to relocate our elements a little bit. Let's see what we can change. And finally, everything is perfect to print. We select the mat with our bookmarks. Press Continue. Select the print settings. Also click here. For my glossy printable magnetic sheets, I will choose glossy photo paper. There are also matte paper the same brand, so if you have this one, you have to choose settings, matte photo paper. I print on glossy paper, so I select this one and click print. Here is how it looks like when I print it. I absolutely love this glossy shine. Now it's time to place the printed sheet on the Cricut cutting mat, making sure it's aligned properly. For the cutting settings, I went to the menu and selected Printable magnetic sheet. If you didn't see this option in your list, you can easily add it from the Materials menu. Before cutting, I decided slightly increase the cut pressure. Here I select my scrolling tool. Now we can watch how Cricut cuts our bookmarks. And here's how the cuts turn out. Super neat and smooth edges. I'm so happy with how these turn out. They're festive, practical, and make a perfect little gift for any book lover. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I would love to know what kind of project you would like to see next. Thank you for watching my channel and happy crafting, my friends!